Following a big amount of requests, I will be analyzing the Litecoin USDT Arbitrage trading circle, step by step through Binance, with a profit of about 14%. The sponsor of this video is our Telegram, where you'll find free strategies and important information. We also have a VIP channel where we offer even more strategies and insider information. Contact our administrator for purchase. We never contact first, so be aware of scammers. Let's go back to our strategy. So you'll go to the trade tab and select the spot section. Search and select Litecoin USDT as a trading pair. Select market and specify the amount of USDT. As an example, purchase $1,000. The order was instant. Go to wallet, select the fiat and spot section. As you can see, Litecoin is on our spot account. Switch to Offermxc. Click login or register if you do not have an account. Next, go to the exchange tab and make sure that Litecoin is more expensive there than on the Binance. Right now the difference is almost 14%. This is the market spread. In other words, our earnings. Go back to the wallet tab. Select Litecoin and click deposit. Enter the amount of coins we bought earlier and click address. Copy the address and switch back to Binance. Select Litecoin and then click withdraw. Insert the address. The network will automatically detect as Litecoin. Enter the number of coins and click withdraw. Check everything and pass the security check. The withdrawal is successful and will take 5 to 8 minutes. The withdrawal of funds took 5 minutes. The camera was off. Now let's go back to Offermxc. We can now see the funds on our balance. Let's check out the transaction history. As you can see, Litecoin has been successfully received. Now let's exchange Litecoin and USDT. The exchange was successful. And now we return to the wallet tab, select USDT and click withdraw. Enter the amount of USDT. And now we need an address. To do this, we return to Binance. Now back to the wallet. Fiat and spot section. Select USDT and click deposit. We choose the TRC20 network. Since this is a fast network, it's important to know that it has a minimum commission. The funds sent to the Binance. Let's go to the transaction history and withdrawal history. As you can see, the funds have been sent. Let's go back to Binance. And now go to the transaction history section. As you can see, the funds were successfully credited to our balance, and at the same time, the net profit was $140 or 14%. You can find even more strategies on our VIP channel. Good luck and profits to all.